Hi, I want to invite you to learn more about your mental health. Maybe there is something we can help you with. Sadly, statistics indicate that girls between the ages of 12 to 17 suffer from some form of depression. So if you or someone you know has felt lonely, sad, with a lot of stress or anxiety, this message might be of interest to you. We are Gratia Plena, an organization that provides services to promote mental health. Our way of working is faithful to the values, teachings, and tradition of the Catholic Church, and we are aware of the need of our young people. That is why we offer workshops taught by trained professionals who firmly believe in the importance of physical, spiritual, and mental well-being. We will have a workshop this next November 20th. If you want to join us and register, you will find more information in our flyer. It is worth mentioning that this workshop is completely free. So mom and dad, if you're hearing this message, do not be afraid to help. Sometimes it is difficult to express when we have a problem, but that does not mean that we do not need help.